Got a drug test coming up in 3 days, and you just hit the blunt last night. Yeah, we've all been there. Whatever the reason, today I'm breaking down the real, true, tested ways to get weed out of your system faster, without the internet bullshit. Lemon juice, myths, or drinking a gallon of bleach, which I highly recommend you don't try. Well, let's get into it, and I'll tell you what actually works, what's risky, and what's just a waste of time. Before we talk about what does work, let's kill off a few myths. Cranberry juice? Not happening. It's not a magical detox. And niacin pills, well, they're dangerous and mostly useless. Bleach or other crazy stuff, don't even bother. It's just a hospital visit waiting to happen. Now, let's understand how THC sticks around. THC, the active ingredient in cannabis, gets stored in fat cells. That means it can linger for days and even weeks depending on the usage, body fat percentage, and metabolism. Occasional users might test clean in a few days, while daily smokers might be 2 to 4 weeks or more. Here are some real strategies to help speed things up safely. Step 1, hydrate but smartly. Drink lots of water, but not gallons all at once. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins through urine, but don't overdo it. 2, exercise, and I do mean cardio and strength. Since THC is stored in fat, burning fat through cardio can help, but don't do a big workout the day before a test. It might actually release more THC into your blood temporarily. 3, eat clean. Cut out fatty foods and processed sugar. Focus on high fiber meals, fruits, veggies, and lean protein to support your metabolism. 4, detox kits with a grain of salt. Some over-the-counter detox kits can temporarily help with urine tests, but research them carefully. Go for ones with actual reviews and transparency and not shady stuff. 5, time is your friend. Ultimately, the most reliable detox method is just letting your body do its thing. Patience really is the most effective cleanser. One-time user, 3 to 5 days. Moderate user, 2 to 3 times a week, can be 1 to 2 weeks. A daily user, 2 to 4 plus weeks. And heavy users can be up to 30 days or more. What about drug tests? There are a few types of drug tests, and they don't all detect THC the same way. Urine test, most common, detects THC metabolites. Saliva test detects recent use, 24 to 72 hours. Blood tests are very rare, but it does detect active THC, not metabolites. Hair test is the longest window with up to 90 days. If you're worried about a test, find out what kind it is. That way you can tell how concerned you should really be. If cannabis is legal in your state and you're using it responsibly, that's your right, but employers and institutions may still test for it. Just know the risks and be prepared. All right, fam. Prod, you did it again, damn it. All right, fam, that's the breakdown on getting bud out of your system faster. If you learned something new, smash the like button, drop your questions or comments below, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for keeping it real. I'm looking at you, Prod.